Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get unbanned from Omegle. Let's get started. Now the process is the same for both mobile and PC, and what you need to do is go ahead and open your Google Chrome. Then click on search bar, search for Omegle. And choose whether you want a text chat or video chat. Then check those boxes to confirm and continue. As you saw, I was using it normally, and you can too if you just follow those few steps. In this way, you can get unbanned from Omegle. So this was the process by which you can get unbanned from Omegle. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.